Unlock a world of effortless online shopping by harnessing the power of your Apple Cash. Using Apple Cash for your online purchases is incredibly simple and adds a fantastic layer of security. Let's walk through how to do it. First, head to your favorite online store or app. When you reach the checkout page, look for the Apple Pay option. This is the quickest and most integrated way to use your Apple Cash. Simply tap the Apple Pay button. Your iPhone will then prompt you to authenticate the purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This ensures only you can authorize the payment. Once authenticated, your purchase is complete. Your Apple Cash is used seamlessly, and your actual card details are never shared with the merchant. But what if the website doesn't directly support Apple Pay? No problem. Your Apple Cash conveniently acts like a virtual prepaid card. Open your Apple Wallet, tap on your Apple Cash card, and you'll find an option to view your virtual card number, expiration date, and the security code. Think of this as your dedicated card for online shopping. You can then enter these details directly into the payment fields on the website, just like you would with any other credit or debit card. This method is equally secure, as your real bank card information is never exposed. Your Apple Cash acts as a buffer, protecting your personal financial data. Whether you're snatching up the latest deals or subscribing to your favorite service, using Apple Cash for online purchases is your secure, convenient, and modern way to pay. Shop smarter, shop safer with Apple Cash.